Did you know? Mexico City is the largest Spanish-speaking city in the world. Did you know? Peregrine falcon is the world's fastest bird. Did you know? The longest recorded flight of a chicken was 13 seconds. Did you know? Cats spend 66% of their life asleep. Did you know? African gray parrots have vocabularies of over 200 words. Did you know? Australia is wider than the moon. Did you know? The first airplane flight was on December 17, 1903. Did you know? Pigs can't look up at the sky. Did you know? Lobsters have clear blood. Did you know? Lady Liberty wears a size 8, 7, 9 shoe.